Welcome to SKO 2026. We're here to empower you today, empower you for what's next.
We are at the cutting edge of what so many companies dream of being. And you all are bringing that dream to life.
This is a tremendously growing business, guys. We grow around 30% year over year in EBITDA. We own the market.
2026 is the year we crush the competition.
We are now regarded as one of the best in the world of AI. I say the innovation is here. It's here, and it's here right now.
One challenge I'm looking forward to helping customers solve in 2026 is to help them control spend before it becomes an expense.
No matter where you go, you live every day of your life, so you can't live it a fingernail better. No regrets.
In 2026 is the year of empowerment.
We don't need to slow it down. We can go another round.